Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have a quick and handy tutorial for you on how to remove Instagram Reels from your profile grid. Let's get started. Start by opening the Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile page. If you want to hide a reel that you've already posted, scroll through your profile until you find the reel you want to remove from the Post tab. Tap on the reel to open it. With the reel open, tap on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a pop-up menu with several options. In the pop-up menu, select Remove from Profile Grid. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap on Remove to confirm. Your reel will now be hidden from the profile grid and will only be visible in the Reels tab. You can repeat these steps for any other reels you wish to hide. If you prefer to hide a new reel before you post it, you can do this in the settings screen before sharing. Below the caption section, find the Profile Display option. Tap on it and select Reels Grid Only from the pop-up menu. After selecting Reels Grid Only, tap on the Done button. Your new reel will now be displayed only in the Reels tab and not in the main profile grid. And that's it! You've now learned how to easily manage the visibility of your Instagram Reels on your profile grid. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides.